What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm back with another video. Dip alert, dip alert. This is the real dip. We finally got some macro news to knock us down. It was just a combination of too many things, people. Combination of too many things. First, we had the Fed with hawkish talk. Then we had the situation in the Middle East, which is still unfolding. Israel say they're going to still attack. You know what I'm saying? Respond. Then on top of that, we had the bond yield issue. The bond yield's been going up. And it's just a lot of issues in the way of our progress. So I'm here to give some quick thoughts. So first off, to all my traders, if you're in short-term options positions, I kind of feel for you. All my options positions is like January 2026 or better. And I might have to roll a few of those, you know what I'm saying? Maybe out to 2026, some of the 2025s. But what I would tell people right now is this is the time, as they say, it's a stock picker's market. This is the time to pay close attention to the companies that you're picking. Pay close attention to the companies that you're picking, because the only thing that's going to help you in a dip like this is earnings. If you're in a company that you feel is going to beat earnings and do well on earnings, this is like really a godsend for you. Like, for example, you know, I'm a Palantir type of guy. I got other positions too. I think Palantir is going to do well into these earnings. Do I like the dip to 21? I mean, no, as an option holder, as a shareholder, and someone who wants to accumulate more, come on. Because this is the time, there's one question you got to ask yourself. Is my stock down because of how my stock's performing, i.e. like a Tesla situation? Or is the stock down because what's going on in the news? I feel like a lot of things everybody's talking about are like short-term issues. Like everybody's just stressing higher for longer. They're saying the rate cuts push back to 2025. And I understand that as a trader, because I've been trading puts this week. I've been trading calls, puts. There's been upswings, downswings, a lot. I haven't been able to get the day trading on camera because I've been a little busy this week. I had issues with my car, a lot of things going on. But I'm going to be back soon, so don't worry about that. But on the longer term, if you really think your company's going to be doing what needs to be did the second half of this year, if you really think your company's going to be doing what needs to be done as far as reporting the next year, 2025, 2026, this is the time to accumulate, because everybody's been asking for a dip. Everybody wants a dip until the dip occurs. Everybody wanted Palantir at 21 and 20 back when it was at 27.50, and now it's here. You feel me? Everybody wanted Nvidia as low as possible when it was at 972. Now it's in the low 8s, the 830 range, 840, 850 range. But also, I would warn people, don't get too bearish right now as well, like for my traders. Like, I've been buying puts, hopping in and out, making little percentage gains here and there. But I would warn people, don't get too crazy with it, because we never know when things could change. It's like, from a macro and fundamental point of view, it's interesting that all these things are going on right before earnings season, because it either sets up for the beginning of a correction, or it's going to set up for one of the best dips we've seen in a little minute. It's going to be one of the best dips we've seen in a little minute if this one pans out. But all I'm saying is, get very selective on your stocks. Choose what works for you, people. Like, you ain't got to be like me. You don't have to be in Palantir. You don't have to be in Nvidia. You don't have to be in AMD. You don't have to be in those type of stocks. You know what I'm saying? I got a Nike position. I got all types of positions. Eli Lilly. Like, I got a lot of positions. But just make sure the companies that you've chosen, you've done your research, and hope they beat earnings, because if they don't, and if it, like with Elon, you better be doing your research and your thesis better be straight if you're really going to be dollar cost averaging, because now it's make or break people. I'm going to be back with some technical analysis videos, some more fundamental macro talks. This was just a quick, what's the word I'm looking for? Just my quick thoughts on what's been going on over the past few days. And I'm just going to keep giving you guys more content. And yeah, it's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. I'm out.